Alright, good afternoon. Last meeting, we've started to discuss on the method of undetermined coefficients. It's a particular method on how to solve for the solution of a differential equation, which is specifically these that are linear and having constant coefficients. Okay? So, mamaya itong encounter how many meetings ago that a second order equation has two parts of its solution, has two parts for its solution, na siya homogeneous part and particular part ng solution, YH and YP. And the general solution is the sum of those two parts. And to solve for the particular solution using method of undetermined coefficients, it could either generally be, or at least the right-hand side could be categorized in either of these three cases. Pwede siya mahimong, or pwede siya given nga polynomial or an exponential function or a sum of sines and cosines. So those are case 1, case 2, and case 3. So nakasolve mo kaning mga examples, basically, case 1, case 2, case 3. And now, this afternoon, let's try to solve more examples that involves generalization and modification. So what do you mean by this? Kaya saan siya may tabo? Generalization happens kung ang atong right-hand side or ang 5x could not fall or does not fall simply ang tulo ka cases, no? Dili siya pure nga polynomial, dili pure nga exponential function, then dili pud pure nga sine and cosine nga functions. So we need to actually we do not need to do something to our given differential equation. It's just that if ang atong right hand side is a product, a product of the assumed solutions, dapat ang atong assumed solution then would also be a product of the right hand. If ang atong 5x, the right hand side is a product of the terms considered, meaning a product of either of the three cases, ang atong assumed solution is also should be a product of assumed solutions. It goes the same way if atong assumed solution is a sum or difference, just like here. If 5x is a sum or difference of the terms considered, then YP is also a sum of or difference of the assumed solutions. Mato lang yung mga kuan later, mas masabtan, most of the example. So that's how we generalize the particular solutions if dili mag-fall aning three cases. Again, dapat linear combinations siya, whether products or sum or differences of polynomials, exponential functions, and sines and cosines. Pag wala na gani aning tulo, dili na nato na siya ma-solve using MUC. Okay? Example, tangent function or ln or rational function, nga dili siya pure nga polynomial. Basta kung wala na aning tulo, whether combinations pa siya, whether naka-generalize pa, dili na siya ma-solve using method of undetermined coefficient. So another na po na siya nga method. There's also a situation that we call that we need to modify the assumed solution. If any of the term of the assumed solution disregarding multiplicative constant is also a term of the y of h, if ang atong assumed solution, meaning atong y of p, has the same look as our y of h, kaya mauna man ginikuha si y of h, di ba? Mauna man ito ni og solve. Then kabulan taon sa itsura sa atong y of h or homogeneous solution. Then before natin isolve ang y of p, of course naman tayo assumed solution. If nagani siya part ato, worse kung tanan, no? But if nalay at least some parts na the same og form sa atong y of p and y of h, atong i-modify, kibali, no? Mag-make tag modification sa atong y of p. By multiplying it by an x to the power of something, no? So kanang something, depende na siya kung unsa pod nga form ang atong y of h. Okay. So if all of this seems complex na, mas mataga na ito ng lighter nga kuan, no? Illumination by solving some examples. Okay? Okay. Outside akong kuan na. Share screen. And ito mo sa akong pikas ng camera. Sige, example. Given y prime minus 5y is equal to 2 times e to the power of 5x. Okay, kana. So solve for y. It's composed of y sub p and y sub h. So ang atong given, so makathink ta nga, first order. Na-solve man ni og katong atong mga previous na methods, no? Yes, ma-solve man gid ni. O especially linear pa gid ni, no? Atong g of x is a function of x alone, constant ng coefficient. So ma-solve gid ni og katong linear na method sa first order. Pero ako lang gamit karon para ma-illustrate ang situation kung kano sa ta mag-modify. Sige. So first, pakita na to ang y sub p. Okay. Ano na, y sub h, I mean. Y sub h. Y sub h. The homogeneous solution. So we equate the given to 0. Y prime minus 5y is equal to 0. So pakita na to yung characteristic equation. Lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, lambda is equal to 5. Therefore, ang solution ani is y of h is equal to c1 e to the power of 5x. Correct? Sakto ba ni? Ang solution, guys?
Yes, sir.
Alright. So, nasolve na ito itong homogeneous solution. Next is atong particular solution. Okay? And tungod ang atong right-hand side or phi of x is exponential function 2 times e to the power 5x. Atong assumed solution, this is case 1, is a times e to the power of case 1. Case 2 day. Ax. Okay? Ax. And what is a? A is 5, di ba? Kaninga 5. So, itong assumed solution supposed to be equal to a e 5x. Now, observe. Ang atong homogeneous solution is the same og form. sa atong particular solution. Diba? C1 is, kung naman no? Kanang constant man ni siya. The same with A. Hindi mo mag-matter ang sa letter ang gigamit. C1 is a constant. Same with A. Pero kung ato na itanawon, parehas silang duha. So, di na pwede. No? Dili pwede magbalik ang duha ka solution or duha ka types of solution. So, what do we do? Sa slide, kabutang, if any of the term of the assumed solution is also a term, no, disregarding multiplicative constant, disregard pagid ang constant, is also a term of y of h, then the assumed solution must be modified by multiplying it by x to the power of m. You multiply na to nig x to the power of something, no? So depende yung sa something. And I think x to the power of 1 is enough, no? I think that's good na. Okay? Para lahi lang gid siya og itsura sa atong y sub h. Ano ninyo? I-multiply na ko og polynomial x, no? First degree polynomial gibali x. Remember tong case 2 sa sa homogeneous na solution. If case 2, if roots are repeating, diba? Y is equal to C1 e to the power of lambda 1x plus C2 e to the power of lambda 1x, but may x. Alam mo ane, guys? This is case 2. I think, no? Case 2 ni siya sa homogeneous solution sa linear second order. So, the same gyapon dire. Tungod kay si homogeneous solution nato is the same of form originally ni assume particular solution, dili pwede. That's why i-multiply nato ni siya og x. Dapat. No? Para di sila magparehas. Okay, kaya parabos lang exponent. Kani 5. Kani sad 5. Okay? So, mana. Case good na atong assume solution. Next, tungod kay first order lang man pod ni, ato isolve ang atong iyang first derivative. So yp prime. Duha naman ni ka function, duha na ni ka separate function. So product rule. A derivative of x is 1 times e to the power of 5x plus derivative sa e to the power of 5x is 5e to the power of 5 times e to the power of 5x times x. Okay. Sabtan. Product rule lang ni ani ha. Product rule. Kani siya. Ani. Ito naman ni ka-function. And wala ni, no? Nanatay yp prime and yp. Atong given is y prime is equal minus 5y is equal to 2 e to the power of 5x man. So y prime minus 5y equal to 2x 2 e to the power of 5x. Y prime, copy everything. Okay, so mas better ba ni i-distribute si A? Try na to distribute, no? Tama to sa itsura later. 5 e to the power of 5x plus 5a x e to the power of 5x. So this is y alone. No? Y prime, I mean y prime. Minus 5 times y. Minus 5 times y. Ax e to the power of 5x. Ax e to the power of 5x equal to 2 e to the power of 5x. Simplify. So, wala na sila, no? Equal to 0 na ni siya. So, a e 5x is equal to 2 e 5x. Divide both sides by e to the power of 5x. A is equal to 2. Substitute na to ni sa atong original na assumed solution, yp. So, this is 2x e to the power of 5x. Yp is 2 x e to the power of 5x. Therefore, our general solution is the homogeneous solution C1 e to the power of 5x plus 2x e to the power of 5x. Or, actually, this is the final answer na. Then na siya final answer. Pwede good gapon na i-combine. Pwede lang nga na. Questions? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, let's solve another one. Kana. I think the same ni ganina ang iyahang left-hand side. So, atong y of p, y of h is equal to C1 e to the power of 5x. Okay, so ito na ito na daan. So, ang atong right-hand side, na ba siya the same na term sa atong or be? Di pa dito maka-guess, no? But I think wala kay 5 man then kani e to the power of 1x lang man. So, this is a situation na kinahanglan ta magamit og generalization, no? Because dili naman ni siya purely case 1 or case 2. Kuha ninyo, combination na ni siya of a polynomial nga part, kani polynomial nga part og exponential na function. So, unsa man nga klase ng combination? Product, no? This is a product. Sum and difference. Yeah, sum and difference. So, ang atong kuan, phi of x is a sum and difference of an exponential function and a polynomial function. So, combination siya of case 1 and case 2. And sa yun lang ang klase ng combination because sum and product lang. Dili man siya sum and difference, dili siya product. So, ang atong assumed solution yp will also be a sum and difference of the assumed solutions kung individual lang atong i-consider. No? So first, pangita na to ang assumed solution sa atong exponential function. So yung assumed solution would be of this form, a e to the power of x. Okay? So, muna ihang first nga assumed solution. Next, plus. Now, even though minus ni siya, then minus 2x plus 1, so tungkol kay polynomial ni siya, it doesn't matter kung mugawas dili later nga positive or negative ang mga constants. It will become apparent pang yun kung negatives or positive. So, tungkol kay sum and difference na ni siya, ang atong assumed solution, pwede na sum. No? Sum sa atong assumed solution sa polynomial. So, this is a polynomial function of first degree. Ang first degree na pag na-assumed na solution. Supposed to be, this is a sub 1 times x plus a sub 2. So, naman tayo a daan dire. So, siya si a sub 1. Pwede na siya si a sub 2 x plus a sub 3. So, muna nga itong assumed solution sa ito exponential function and polynomial function. Okay? If you have question, just type lang sa chat or yun na yung mic. Kung asan nigikan. Ibali mo ni ihang kuan. Assumed solution. Then iya. Kana. So, first order lang man eh. Right. At least, pakita na natin ang first derivative. Y p prime. So, what's the first derivative of this one? Malagyapon, di ba? A1 e to the power of x. Plus, so yung first derivative ani, A2. Wala na siguro. No? I think wala na siya. Yeah. So, substitute natin siya sa original given. Y prime minus 5y is equal to 3 e to the power of x minus 2x plus 1. Y prime is this one. A1 e to the power of x plus A2 minus 5 times y. Y is this one. A1 e to the power of x plus A2x plus A3 equal to 3e to the power of x minus 2x plus 1. This is y prime. Gikan dire. Minus 5y. This is y. Gikan dito sa taas. Equal to 5 of x. So, distribute to ni 5. So, as is y prime a1 e to the power of x plus a2 minus 5 a1 e to the power of x minus 5 a2x minus 5 a3 equal to 3ex minus 2x plus 1. Then combine like terms. Kani pareha ni sila. No? Kana. Kani constant ni siya. And kato, siya wala siya partner. Itong lang ipang combine. Starting with ang coefficient ni e to the power of x. Mga coefficients ni e to the power of x is a1 minus 5a1. Minus 5a1. Plus, mga coefficients ni x to the power of 1. Kanila siya. Negative 5a2. Plus, mga coefficients ni x to the power of 0 or mga constants. a2 minus 5a3. Equal to ex minus 2x plus 1. Equate the coefficients. Equate the coefficients. This one is equal to 3. This one is equal to negative 2. And the constants is equal to 1. a1 minus 5a1 is equal to 3. Negative 5a2 is equal to negative 2. a2 minus 5a3 is equal to 1. So, dili pa lang, I think makuha na to si a1. Kuha naman siya, negative 4a1. So, 3 divided by negative 4. From here, we could already obtain a1 is equal to 3 over negative 4. Or negative 3/4. a2 is 2/5, right? And a3, if a2 is already 2/5, so 2/5 minus 5a3 is equal to 1. Solve for a3. Two-fifths minus 5a3 is equal to 1. Negative 112. Negative 3 over 25. A3 is negative 3 over 25 daw. Sige. Para sa inyong solution. And substitute lang natin ibalik sa original assumed solution. A1 is negative 3/4, A2 is 2/5, A3 is negative 3/25. So, ang atong YP then is equal to negative 3/4 e to the power of x plus 2/5 x minus 3/25. And our final answer is, of course, this one plus YH. So Y is equal to C1 e to the power of 5x minus 3/4 EX plus 2/5 x minus 3/25. Final answer. Questions so far? If you notice, pala sila ang atong left-hand side, no? Para, well, at least para ma-emphasize ang method of undetermined coefficient na part lang sa solution. No? Anyway, mahulog man nga arbitrary ang solution sa homogeneous part sa ODE. Adala. Medyo complex ni. Okay? So, so I think this is an example na nag-abot ang modification and generalization. Later, makita na ito nga ng modification gapon siya. So, generalization because product siya, no? Datay doon ka parts, product and sum or difference. Medyo taas-taas ni guys. So, sige lang. Bear with the solution na lang, no? Again, we already have the solution for the homogeneous part. YH is equal to C1 e to the power of 5x. Alright. So, atong YP kay maging ani. No? Duha ni kabuok. no? This should be YP1 and YP2. YP1 is the assumed solution of this one, no? And consequently, YP2 is the assumed solution of the other one. So, itsura ni YP1. Product. Product of an exponential function and polynomial. So, kung product of exponential function, yung assumed solution would be A1 times E power of, e to the power of x, e to the power of x times, atong polynomial is second order, second degree, quadratic. So, even though x squared lang ni siya, atong assumed solution niya is nagyapon ang x and constant. So, A2 x squared plus A3x plus A4. Yan na. No? Pero actually, pwede naman na ma-distribute si constant sa every term para ma-combine siya. Para A1, A2, A3 lang ni. So, pwede na day wala constant dito sa gawas. Kay pwede na siya matampuan ng mga constants sa sulod. So, atong YP1 is equal to, kung ato i-retaining na form bitaw, hindi siya. This would be A1x squared plus A2x plus A3 times E to the power of x. Okay, product man eh. Product po na eh. Next. YP1 pa to. YP2. Kung saan assume solution ni YP2. At the same naman sila. Pero tungod kay first degree, ano eh. So, first degree polynomial, lasad. One, two, three, four, five na. So, A4, A sub 4 times X plus A sub 5 times E to the power of 5X. Notice something? Sa YP2?
Cancel na, sir.
Ha?
Wala, sir. Wala.
Si YP2 is the same siya itsura sa atong YH. Oh, the same siya.
Yes, sir.
So, i-multiply na to og x to the power of m, where m is the smallest positive integer such that the product of x of m with the assumed solution has no terms in common. No? So, multiply ta og depende pa. So, i-multiply na to x to the power of something. Kung something magdepende pa kung unsa nga klase nga kuan, no? Be multiply na to ni x. Dire, dapat. Ayan ng x. So, si x pwede na siya masulod. So si YP2 may mo na yung A4 x squared plus A5 x e to the power 5x. Okay? Question so far? Combining YP1 and YP2, y sub p, or the particular solution would be equal to e to the power of x, a1 x squared plus a2x plus a3 plus e to the power of 5x, a4 x squared plus a5 x. Sige, digest sa. Ang resulting part is ang pag-derive. No? Derive mo na ito eh. Sige lang. Kaya rin eh. YP, ako sa i-simplify, e to the power of a1 x squared e to the power of x plus a2 x e to the power of, pwede naman din nidili kuan. Yeah. Mas better day dili na i-substitute. Pangita na diretso ang kuan niya. First derivative. No? At least mas dali ni product rule. Product rule. So derivative of this one, e to the power of x, copy, plus e to the power of x, the derivative sa second function, 2a1x plus a2. Plus derivative ani 5e to the power of 5x, copy, a4x squared plus a5x. Plus, copy, derivative sa sulod, 2a4x plus a5. Simplify man niyo. YP prime e to the power of x a1x squared plus 2a1 plus a2x plus a2 plus a3 plus 5e 5x a4x squared plus 2a4 plus a5x sorry, gawas ni si x plus a5. Di taas-taas siya pero and this is just y prime, yp prime. Kani kapag taas nga papel. Hindi masigo sa atong kuan. Okay, simplify. Yp, atong original given equation is y prime minus 5y. Muna si y prime, muna si divide by 5, si y na to. Okay? Bear with me lang well, exactly, mo gid ni siya. Muna si y prime na to kanina sa taas. Tanan na sila y prime na siya. Minus 5y. Ako lang distribute lang si negative 5. Kaya mo may si y. Kani plus ka to. Equal to 5x. Hmm. Medyo taas-taas gini guys. Ayan na lang, no? Silaayan mo kung laayan mo tanaw sa pag-solve ni ta ug kuan. So ako ni mano og solve. Distribute na dito tagsa-tagsa. Yun ay mga hidden coefficients dire. 0. No? Zero, I mean zero iyang kuan. Combine pa ni ato. Kani combine pa ni ato. So ano na lang, no? Well, honestly, taas gid ang kunan ni. Taas nga process. Better na siguro nga diba sa kuan bitaw mo karon, no? Bag down mo og tan-aw. Okay. Wala na magi other nga way pag kuan ani. Ang next step ani is i-distribute, combine. The same with happened before. No? I-distribute na i-combine. Pakita ko ng coefficient sa right hand side to sa left hand side. Pero I think maglisod ko express sa actual nga solution dili kay maglimited mo ng camera. Like for example karon kung ako gusto i-refer dili din ako makita sa PCAS kay putol na dili. Gusto na ako na i-solve personally, no? Himan-man na ako nag-solve. And then nag-post lang siguro ko video sa atong solution ani, no? Kay limited man ko karon sa setup aning Google Meet nga kuan screen.
Gamay kayo, sir.
Gamay. Maski ikuan ako kung papel. So kada manguda ni nga while ga point ko og coefficient sa right hand side, no, siya lang to makita sa left. Unless si ana na ako, pero pangit kaayo, no? So, ano na lang. Basta, ang next magiging solution, ang next na step sa solution ani, after nga i-distribute ning e to power of x sa tanan, sa everything else dire, the same sa 5e. 5e to the power of 5x, i-distribute na siya tanan diha. Mataas kayo na siya nga linya. Then, i-recombine na pod para makita ang mga coefficients. Pero the same nagyud gapon nga steps ato earlier na ako nga example kani bitaw. Same gyapon after I think na nato dili nga part, no. Okay lang ta kani. Makita nako ang solution, I mean ang coefficient sa left hand side ug sa right hand side. So limited ko sa space sa papel. Better nga ako tang gusto i-solve na lang ni outside sa live. Then mag-post lang siguro ko og video gihapon kung giusa na ako to pag-solve. Yan na lang kay mag limited gid kay ta karon, sure ko maglisod gyapon mo sabot kung ako ning padayonon. Pero the same gyapon nga step, walay nagbago nga step kibali na complex lang ang atong solution because taas kayo, no? Pero dili siya lisod, no? I mean dili man siya impossible solve. Taas lang gid siya. Basta kaya ang final answer ani is makita na to ning 5 ka constants. A1, A2, A3, A4, ug A5. So, mga solve na sila. No? So, I think lisod siya. I don't know, lisod siya lisod siya i-express sa screen. So, in the meantime lang siguro, while I'm solving, no? I-post na ako in a later time na lang. Try to practice solving these problems na lang. Oh. Kani, para at least na may buhaton. No? Ako man tayo 30 minutes. Kani. I'm sure kaya na niya siya. Y double prime minus 2y prime plus y equal to x e to the power of x. Sige daw. Try to solve this one. Magbutang ko og activity sa e-learn ko asa niya i-post inyong solutions. And this will constitute as your seat work for this afternoon. Okay?